We are demonstrating our system of anti-toll alarming devices for important assets. This system can be applied in important assets management. Firstly, I'd like to introduce the composition of this system. The annunciator, wireless network units, single-channel trigger, and the anti-toll alarming card. The annunciator is controlled by relay signals sent by the wireless network units. When receiving the signals, the annunciator will send sound and light alarm, and this alarm can be only eliminated by manual operation. 433 mega wireless units can receive card signals, then send relay signals to control the annunciator. Single-channel trigger will send 125K byte low frequency every once in a while within the scope of 5 meters, and the trigger distance is adjustable. The trigger boundary is plus and minus 30 centimeters. The anti-toll alarming card. This card can be pasted on the important asset. When the asset is taken into the trigger scope, or the card is torn off the asset, there will be alarming. Let's look at the workflow of this system. When the important asset is taken into the trigger scope, the tag is activated and sends alarm signals. Alarm signals will be transferred to 433 mega wireless network unit via wireless LAN, and the units will send control signals to make the annunciator send sound and light alarm. This alarm can be only eliminated by manual operation. Next is the demonstration. The installation. This system installation is only connection of wireless network unit and the annunciator. Other devices are all communicated by wireless LAN. The anti-toll alarming card is pasted on the laptop by 3 mega double-side tape. Single-channel trigger is on the wall near the door, and we adjust its trigger distance around the door. When somebody takes the laptop with the tag away from the door, there is alarming. At this time, we can only eliminate the sound by manual operation. Next, we explain the workflow when the tag is torn away from the laptop. When the tag is torn, it will send alarming signals. Then signals are transferred to wireless network unit via 433 mega wireless LAN, and the wireless network units send control signals to the annunciator. Then the annunciator is alarming. The alarm can be only eliminated by manual operation. Next is the actual demonstration. The above is all the workflow of the system. Thank you.